Brown one's a coconut. Should have got the kind where they put that chart in the box.
I spoke with Jennifer Crane. She's expecting.
That's impossible. Carrie didn't tell me anything.
That's because he doesn't know. She's going to surprise him tonight. I just got so distracted. Dinner's not for an hour.
Tweety, there's no reason that's bad for us.
I saw this dumpy woman on 2nd Avenue by the Hungarian market, and she had her daughter pushing a stroller with a little boy in it. And she was round. She was expecting another. She was just buying fruit like it was any other day.
The daughter was pregnant.
No, the mother. It's this big club they're all in together. Even her.
Adio, we've given this a lot of thought. You are going to be blessed with a stinking miracle.
Stop it.
So in assessing the damage to your private life, we've gotten you some reading material.
What do you get for the man who's about to have nothing?
No.
Speech.
I'm very touched by this party. That's the whole point. You're not going to be touched.
Oh.
I got it, Paul. Knock it off. I want to toast all of you. And let's hope when this baby comes that he likes Lucky's.
Here's to the little one, whatever it may be.
Cheers.
I just wanted to say happy birthday.
Oh. What's this? Tiffany's?
Yes.
How old were you?
Summer of 45. 11, 12.
Did your testicles descend normally?
Absolutely.
And have you ever fathered a child?
No.
Have you ever had difficulty completing the sexual act?
Drinking doesn't help. But no, I always reach home base.
Do you have difficulties with arousal?
Jesus. I'm a red-blooded American male, okay?
No one is questioning your manhood, Mr. Campbell. You could be a warrior, an athlete, a bull of a man. George Washington was sterile. Fertility has nothing to do with manliness. Do you want to have a child?
What kind of question is that? Of course I do. What man doesn't want a child? Although, you think about the world right now. The bomb.
Do you work?
Hello?
How was your day?
Spectacular. Duck called Bert Peterson a mongoloid. What a leader of men.
Dr. Stone's office rang.
How is Dr. Stone?
I didn't ask, but the nurse said that your sample was quite viable.
Is that right? Well, what do you know? That is a relief. I do say.
Yes.
Able to leap tall buildings in a single bound, are they?
I suppose.
To viability. What? This is good.
It is.
This is what you wanted, isn't it?
No, you're right. It's a relief. Now we know it's me.
Right. So, Stone can blow up your ovaries or do whatever his cutting-edge plan is.
Peter, I can't believe you.
Wait a minute. You wanted to do this. You had to know this was a possible outcome. Get back here. Trudy! Sit down.
I'm sorry. I didn't think it through.
That's honest.
I don't know what I thought.
Who says we have to do this? Except for what? It's the next thing we're supposed to do?
But it is. It's natural.
Says who? I was having a great time. Weren't you? Maybe this is the way it's supposed to be. I mean, you have a baby. You can't travel. You can't go to the movies unless you have help. And that's expensive.
You're immature, Peter. You know that?
I just did a very private thing in a very public place for you. And guess what? You don't like the results. What do you want me to do?
Express some concern. And stop talking about how you're going to miss seeing Cape Fear for the 3rd time.
I know one thing. I sure as hell wouldn't want a kid here watching this, Donnybrook. Either you make it through this thing or you just keep it to yourself. I'm giving you that option.
Stop.